Hey everybody, this is Mike with Excel Distance Calculators, home to some of the most useful and innovative Excel tools available. Today, I'm excited to introduce a tool that helps you locate the closest pharmacy for a list of patients, quickly and effortlessly, all within Excel. For over 16 years, we've been developing Excel-based automation tools that simplify complex tasks. Our tools have helped over 7,500 clients, from small businesses to large corporations, and we're proud to have earned more than 130 five-star reviews on Google. Healthcare professionals, home care providers, and delivery services have been asking for a way to automate the process of finding nearby pharmacies for multiple addresses, and we've delivered exactly that. We also receive emails every week from clients telling us how much our tools have saved them hours and made their work more efficient. This feedback motivates us to create even more tools to help businesses like yours. The Closest Pharmacy Locator tool is perfect for healthcare providers, pharmacies, caregivers, and delivery teams that need to quickly identify the nearest pharmacies for multiple patients. Instead of manually searching for pharmacies one by one, this tool allows you to enter a list of patient addresses and instantly find the closest pharmacy to each location. The tool integrates seamlessly with Google Maps API, so you'll need an API key for it to function. Don't worry. We got a step-by-step video guide linked in the description that walks you through how to set it up in just a few minutes. Once everything's set up, using the tool is incredibly simple. Simply enter or paste your list of patient addresses into the designated column in Excel. You can use full addresses, partial addresses, zip codes, cities, or latitude and longitude. For the most accurate results, we recommend using full addresses. Once you've done that, click the Find Nearest Pharmacies, and the tool will instantly search for nearby pharmacies. Within seconds, you'll receive a detailed list that includes each pharmacy's name, full address, and distance from the patient's location. No need to open Google Maps or search manually. Everything happens directly in Excel. Plus, you can switch between miles and kilometers to suit your preferred distance format. To download the tool, simply click in the link in the description. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Our contact information is listed in the description and displayed on the screen. You can also connect with us via live chat on our website, where you'll receive real support from Vinny, the mastermind behind Excel Distance Calculators, not a bot. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tool useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tools. See you next time.